Hi guys, welcome to Katie's Bits and Bobs. Now today I'm joined by my special guest yet again.
Lucas!
Actually, I should call him my co-host because he's not my guest anymore, he's always here. So, we are going today to attempt to make an erupting volcano. So Lucas, what do we have to make our volcano?
We have this.
Which is Andrew's, when you've got an upset stomach.
Yeah, and it's
that.
yucky.
Well,
for your body.
Yeah. What else have we got?
We have water.
Yeah, water.
Food colouring.
What colour food colouring have we got?
We have soap.
We've got
Green.
Yeah.
Red and orange. We have soap.
And a bit of soap. So we're going to see if it can make some bubbles as well at the same time.
Bubbles.
What do you think?
So bubbles. So bubbles. So bubbles.
Right, okay. So let's get started.
Let's put the...
Do the Andrew first. Put the Andrews in first. Yeah. I'll put the Andrews in first. Keep going. So we're going to put quite a few teaspoons in there because we want to have a big eruption, don't we? Let's put a little bit more in
Let's
there.
put all of the whole thing.
We're not going to put all of it in there. So we want a good eruption. Now I've done this with Alka-Seltzer before, didn't we, Lucas, when we made our lava lamp?
Just now.
So if you check out one of my previous Instagram stories, then you will find it on my page. So that's it. So this is the little plastic cup that we have. So we've filled up, what, a third of it with our Andrews. Okay, so we've got a bit of soap.
Yeah.
We have a little bit of soap in there. We'll see how that goes.
Whoa.
Okay.
Then mix it, put the filter in.
Now we've got some clear water, just normal water. Tap water, don't use the bottle stuff, you will definitely need it during this time of lockdown.
Can we put this in?
Yep, a little bit of orange you want to put in there?
Whoa.
Okay. Right, Lucas.
It's erupting.
Are you ready? We have an eruption! Keep going! Whoa! Wow, it worked really well.
It worked!
It does really work.
Whoa! It's like orange
it all coming
juice.
out. Now, if your kid has a science experiment that they need to do, or a science project that they need to do at home, you can do it exactly the same. So maybe turn the cup the other way around, make a hole in the top, and then put some bicarb in with a bit of food colouring. We put some soap in to make extra bubbles, and then water. How is it, Lucas?
Good!
Really good. Let's give it a mix. There might be some more at the bottom.
Oh, it looks like custard.
It does look like custard. Do you think it would taste like custard?
No.
No, I don't think it would taste like custard.
Let's put a little bit.
Maybe a little bit more soap. I think that.
Oh my god, it dives in!
It does. Look at that. That's worked really, really well.
And let's put a little bit of red in there.
Put a little bit of red in there to make it look like an actual volcano.
Let's make it like a rainbow volcano.
A rainbow volcano.
That goes down.
Give it a mix. See what happens.
It's not that red. It's pink.
It is. It's gone pink.
Let's put a little bit of blue in there.
Uh-oh. Maybe put a bit of green in there. See what happens.
Yeah.
Get our spoon out. Oh,
whoa!
Look! Kind of come down this side.
Green.
Like that.
Let's mix it.
There's the spoon.
And not who dive in there.
Wowzers. Maybe a little bit of water, should we see?
Whoa!
Wow.
Let's put a little bit of that in.
A bit more Andrews.
Yeah, a little bit of Andrews.
Let's see if I can get it open. We'll put some more in.
The Andrews.
You just go on the top.
Let's mix it. Whoa! It's a rainbow colour!
It is. It's all like rainbow colours. Don't know if you guys can see all the rainbow colours there.
Let's stop that.
One more. So guys, that was our quick and easy volcano eruption. How did you think it went, Lucas?
Amazing!
It was amazing. Okay, so let's have a recap of the ingredients that you can use at home. So we have our Andrews here. We also have some washing up liquid. We have our different kinds of food colouring. If you don't have food colouring at home, you can just use it and just do a white eruption. And then we have our container that we use for our strawberries and a plastic cup.
Daddy, what's
That was
on
it.
now?
Super simple. Lucas, are you excited to do maybe a different one?
Yeah, just now.
So we're going to keep testing out some more ingredients and seeing what erupts and what doesn't. Have a go at home, guys. Remember to stay safe and stay well, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.
Look at that.